Good news to all the Zimbabweans or progressive Zimbabweans that watch this channel, and thank you so much for joining us. And there is breaking news of the CCC activist Moreblessing Ali killer Pius Jamba is jailed for 30 years by Harare High Court Esther Muremba. This is the news that we received yesterday, about 14 hours ago. So this is good news in the sense that at least there is justice that is served for Moreblessing Ali, or this case that shocked the world of how an individual was killed. Whether she was a CCC member, this is so much debatable because ZANU-PF, they are claiming her, Triple C are claiming her. But also on the other hand, there is this disheartening thing that the man who was fighting for Moreblessing Ali, Job Scholar, is still incarcerated and he has not yet received bail or has not yet been released. He has been there for over 500 days, which is very, very unfortunate. And everyone hopes that Job Scholar gets out or be released. The other conviction that was given, it was overturned at the High Court. But how do you feel as an individual seeing this? Does this give you hope? Especially knowing that there are a lot of political motivated killings that have happened in the past. And these are some of, at least some reprieve that you find in these matters. What is your thoughts on this man? Is he in an scapegoat? Do you think he's going to do catch and release and then be released on a parole or something like that? But to me, it's something that points to in the right direction, that at least there is some justice that has been served. That's my opinion. I would love to hear yours.